stable ladder that really you can't really knock down if you tried.
Prevents you from gashing shingles or metal roofs with a sharp edge of a ladder stabilizer. So
Nobody really wants to dent up their own gutters on their own house.
stepping off, that you have something to hold on to. You're not just standing above the ladder.
Welcome to Rocky Broad Solar, where we encourage you to make the current flow. Today's episode, we're going to talk about ladder safety as it pertains to getting off and on roofs, whether you're installing solar or just cleaning out your gutters. So one thing about ladder safety is you need something nice and stable and supported. So ladder stabilizers are one of the best investments you could ever make if you're commonly on ladders. They extend out and provide a nice stable ladder that really you can't really knock down if you tried. This just gives you, so much more stability to where you just don't have to worry about it.
Another thing I love about this ladder stabilizer are the rounded feet here. A lot of ladder stabilizers are squared and they're really only meant for standing you off of a wall, to lean up against the wall to kind of put you at an arm's length. While this ladder stabilizer is also meant for that, it's meant for being put on a roof, and that's why it has these rounded feet. It prevents you from gashing shingles or metal roofs with a sharp edge of a ladder stabilizer. So this one, it's got a little bit of white paint on it, which is rubbing off on the roof here, but if you don't get white paint on yours, then you don't have to worry about that. A lot of the other stabilizers, I'd have to wrap duct tape or pipe insulation on the feet to keep it from gashing the roof, and these are just ready to go.
Another thing you can see is we're really protecting this gutter. Leaning up a ladder against these gutters are just flimsy, they dent easy, they scratch paint. Nobody wants their gutters dented up by a solar installer, and nobody really wants to dent up their own gutters on their own house. So this kind of keeps you nice and stood off of the gutter, nice and stable, and just kind of rest the ladder on the roof rather than against the gutter.
Last thing about ladder safety, if you're into OSHA standards, you'll know that the ladder itself has to extend at least 3 feet above the roof, and for the roof, there's a good reason for that. That's because while you're getting up onto a roof and stepping off, that you have something to hold on to. You're not just standing above the ladder or kind of climbing your way up onto the roof. So having that 3 feet is just really critical to safely getting off and on the ladder. It just really makes everything so much easier and sturdy and supported. If you're interested in this stabilizer, I'm going to link it down in the description below and also have it on my storefront. Thanks so much everyone for watching. If you got enjoyment out of the video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video with other people. If there's videos you want to see in the future, please comment down below. And again, thanks so much for all of you for your time. I really appreciate it. Until next time, take care.